In this new world order of remote meetings and long conference calls, have you ever struggled with explaining your ideas to your teammates clearly? Indeed, we all have. The reason for this is simple. Our brains have evolved to mainly process visual information such as images and shapes. Sometimes during those long conference calls, we feel that words and verbal explanations are not effective enough, which results in the waste of precious time that could cost us millions of dollars of productivity loss every year, besides all the frustration. We feel the need of a technology that could help us communicate our ideas more clearly and effectively, irrespective of our teams being in the same room or in another location. Well, for that need, now there is a simple solution. It's called Thinker Connect. As industry's first video conferencing device with built-in interactive digital whiteboarding capabilities, Thinker Connect converts any normal LED display into a complete collaborative touch-enabled video conferencing screen in under 5 minutes. Now you can bring magic to your meetings when you're able to explain each idea, concept, and your feedback clearly via annotations, sketches, drawings, and images. It even has an AI-powered idea search machine that can find images and videos or explanations on any topic for you in seconds. You can even control any application, such as MS PowerPoint, Chrome browser, and Visual Studio directly from the screen. Thanks to an ultra-wide-angle Full HD camera, the remote teams can see you clearly, even when you sit in those corner chairs or the far end of the table. And you do not need to buy a separate microphone device, as Thinker Unit has not one, but 4 advanced MEMS microphones connected over a 16-core DSP that is able to capture the dimmest of the voices from even more than 5 meters distance. Via beamforming technology, this digital signal processor is able to detect the direction of arrival of voice and perform active noise and echo cancellation, resulting in a crystal clear sound. Whether you're a manager, a financial analyst, a lawyer, an architect, doctor practicing teleconsultation, every meeting and conference call is incomplete without visual collaboration, and Thinker Connect is designed just to bring that specific value via a single integrated device to your meetings. With Thinker Connect, collaborate better today.